Good morning, students. Dear student, today I am going to discuss with you chapter number 5 of Indian Economic Development titled Human Capital Formation. Before starting this lesson, I want to discuss with you whatever is given in this PPT. This PPT starts with the introduction. In this part, you will able to find out meaning of human capital formation, why human capital formation is needed in an economy, what are the problems in the process of human capital formation, and certain practical suggestions to tackle the problem of human capital formation in India. After studying this chapter, the learners will understand the concepts of human resource, human capital formation, and human development. The link between investment in human capital, economic growth, and human development. The need for government spending on education and health, and the state of India's educational attainment. Now, I am giving you the introduction of this topic, that is the topic human capital formation. Basically, wealth and capital are two separate concepts, two different concepts. When we talk about the capital, when we say something about the capital, we are not talking about the whole wealth, because capital is a part of wealth which is used for further production. Whole wealth is never used for further production. It may include gold, silver, bank deposits, but capital is only that part of the wealth which is used for further production. Now this capital can be formed in the physical assets. This capital can also be formed in the human resources. When this capital is formed or invested in the physical asset like plant and machinery, it is called physical capital formation or physical investment. And at the same time, when capital is invested in the human beings, it is called human capital formation. But as the very clear is that human capital formation, physical capital formation are totally different. Why these are different? Because physical capital formation, it means investment in the physical assets are clearly visible. When we invest our money into the plants, machinery, equipments, land, building, it is seen, it is visible, whereas the investment in the human beings is not visible. Now the question arises, how we can invest in the human beings, how investment should be made in the human beings, because investment in the human beings is not directly done, rather investment in the human beings is done indirectly. Now, before telling you the meaning of human capital formation, I have discussed with you the meaning of capital. Now, I am telling you the meaning of human capital. Human capital is the stock of habits, knowledge, social and personality attributes embodied in the ability to perform labor so as to produce economic values. In simple words, human capital means availability of skilled, talented, educated, experienced expertise in any nation at any particular point of time, which positively contribute in the production process or which have capacity to increase the production process in any economy.